Now I am going to compromise kioptrix level 3 using Kali Linux. I already find out my IP address using fconfig, and I already find out the victim's IP address using netdiscover. I also run the nmap command to figure out the open ports related to the victim's IP address, and I find out that 22 and 80 are the open ports, and we also find out the OS details. So firstly I am going to start with port 80, that is going to be an website. So let's search for that. Okay, we got this website. Now let's search for the blog. Here, as you can see, like in the URL, it is passing system equal to blog. So, like there can be a chances of directory traversel. So I will, like I already, tested etc password. It is not working because by default it is taking .php as in file name, so that's why I'm using %00.jpg. Okay, here we find out something. Okay, now I am going to search for the related web pages to this site. Okay, so I will use wfuzz command. Basically for me dirbuster is not coming, so I uses the wfuzz and I take the word list from the dirbuster. Okay, so I already have run it. Okay, wfuzz -c to show the output in color, -z will take the file path. We don't want any response of 404. Okay, and here fuzz will replace the words from the big.txt. Okay, so I already go through all this 301 and 202, and I found gallery, and I found something on gallery, so which I will show you. So firstly I will move to the gallery web page. Now I am going to view the page source if we can find any useful information, and we didn't find anything. Okay, so now let's move to an individual image. Let's rate it something. Okay, you can see like something is happening here. From person to F, gallery person to F. Okay, so first I will view the page source. Like whenever we are rating, it is going to vote.php from this person to F, gallery person to F. Person to F simply mean backslash. Okay, so let's try to click it. Alert, you have already rated this image. Oh, it is taking ID and vote, like how much we want to vote from this gallery.php file. Okay, so simply I will search for gallery.php file in gallery. Okay, gallery.php. We got the source code. I don't want to view the source, so basically I will remove it. And here I have found another web page. Here it is written you have an error in your SQL syntax. Okay, let's see how it's working, if it's taking any parameter or not. source. ID is given, vote is given, so basically I will try to give ID as a parameter. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay, it is working. Let's see if I give this. It is giving some SQL error. So I think SQL injection is possible, so I'll simply use sqlmap for that. I will copy it. I will clear it. Okay, so I have already done this. I will go through the command. sqlmap -u for giving the URL. Like it is checking if that site is vulnerable to SQL injection or not. So it is telling us that the backend DBMS is MySQL. Okay, so basically now I want to see what are the databases available. Minus DBS simply means give us all the database. Yes. Okay, it gives us gallery, information schema, and MySQL. So gallery. Okay, I will try it with gallery. I want to see all the tables that are present in the gallery. Yes. So this all are present. Simply I will try with dev accounts. What are the columns associated with this table? So it contains ID, password, username. So basically I want to get all this information. So simply I will use the dump command. Dump command will give us all the information about this table. Are you sure? Yes. Yes. Yes, I also want to crack it. So this is it. I got the information. Drag Loniferret. Okay. So yeah, I already copied it. Drag master and Loniferret star bars. Okay. Like during nmap command, we get the SSH. So let's try to put our user and password in SSH, and first I will try with Jack. Password is master. Okay, MST3R. Okay, yeah, we got the access. Let's see who am I. Drag. Okay, current directory home. dir is not working. Okay, I'm also restricted to change the directory. Okay, so I think this will not work for me. So simply I will go to Loniferret. That is this. Put it. My bad. Paste. So password is star wars. Okay, so let's see. pwd directory. Now I want to see my directory. Okay, this two are available. So basically let's see what is present in company. policy dot readme okay, spelling wrong, company policy. Here it is written hello new employee. It is common company policy here to use our newly installed software. Okay, please use the command sudo st. Okay, so let's try sudo st. It is not working for us. Okay, so I found the solution in Stack Overflow and export term equal to xterm. I will simply paste it, and now I can check the sudo st. Okay, this is showing us. Before going to do this, I basically want to check if I get the admin privilege or not. Password for Lone Ferret, and that is Star Wars. Okay, it is saying that I am not allowed to execute binsu as root on kioptrix level 3. Okay, so maybe in sudoers file, maybe in sudoers file there is some command written there, that's why I am not able to execute sudosu. So let's move to previous directory, that is drag lone ferret www. Again move to previous directory, and here I found etc. I want to change the sudo file, so I will move to etc and I will list it. So basically here is not sudoers, so I want to change it. Okay, let's try vi sudoers. Permission denied. I don't have permission to access it. Okay, now try our remaining last option, that is sudo st. Okay, let's open the file, and I want to go to etc sudoers. Okay, let's see. For the root, it is giving all the access, and for this lone ferret, it is saying that yeah, it is saying that you can access the sudosu without using any password, but you can't access this because not equal to sign is there. So simply I will copy it and I will give it the same access as root have. Okay, paste sudo st alt f. Okay, I will save the file. I will exit it. Now I am going to execute sudosu. Okay, asking for the password. Give the password Star Wars. Okay, I got the access. Let's see who am I? Root. Okay, that's it for the kioptrix level 3.